Hello everybody, this is Liberty with the Family Out, and I am going to be doing a yoga video. First, I would like to cross my legs, but it's kind of like crossing your legs and doing down. You can close your eyes if you want to, and really then you come up, and we could start by doing something like this. You don't have to do it like exactly like this. Is deep as deeper I'm going. You can go like this. If you're a beginner, you can go like this. I just do it like this, or you can do it like this. And if that's even you can't do it that way, you could start by doing like this. I'm gonna do it this way. Switch one, and there. And now here's one of my favorite moves. Like you do. You breathe when it comes up, and let it out. Breathe when it comes up, and let it down. Now, let's do it. Let's do this pose. Ooh, bit of grass. Okay, let's do this pose again. You should try like sitting there for like maybe 1 minute. So it's really good. Then come up. And you also want to do, if you just did that pose, then it's making me feel a bit sleepy. It may feel it's kind of like it's like the relaxing pose. It makes you feel a bit more calmer. Like I feel more calmer. Then you're going to stretch your legs out again. So it will be like you breathe. Breathe. And release. Now I'm going to do down dog, one of my favorite poses. And sit there for like a few minutes, probably like a minute. After you've done down dog, something that I kind of like to do, I like to just stretch. Like you can put your legs out, stretch. That's another yoga pose. You just stretch after you do down dog. Other side. Turn to the other side. And then one last time. And for the last two, then I usually like to do it and sit there for like a bit of a long time so you can really stretch. And if that's a bit harder for you, then you could try by doing something a bit easier. Put your legs a bit like closer together. Do like this. You don't have to go all the way down like that, but you can go like this. Turn around. Now, another pose. And when you're doing this pose, it's very good for yoga. You just want to think about happy things. Ooh, red ant. But let me move over here. Maybe the red ant wants to do yoga too. And don't be nervous about anything. Don't be frustrated. Just feel calm. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then you feel much calmer. And while you're doing some things, if you may not have things to think about, something that you could think about, you could think about summertime when you're sunny, you go to the beach, you go to the pool. You could also think about rainbows, just anything that's very happy. Also, let's go back to down dog. In here. And also breathe on it. And also, if you really want to get a bit more calmer, then here's a very, 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 very good idea you could try to do. Sit down, you lay back, and close your eyes and think about positive stuff, good stuff, happy stuff, and nice stuff. Wait, put my chair down. Sit there for a few minutes and just relax. Now you get up. You can see if you can do yoga outside or you can do it inside. If you're doing yoga inside, then you may, if you would like to have some sunshine, if you're doing this pose, the laying down pose, then you should open your blinds, because then once you do you see right there in that pose, then I woke up, opened my eyes, and I saw the sunshine shining in my face, because I'm outside doing this. But if you're inside, you can open your blinds, and you can, if you have blinds, if you don't have blinds, then you get in a room where there's a window, and you can just open the blinds, and when you open your eyes, then you'll see beautiful sunshine shine. That's my yoga video, and make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell, and like this video. Bye!